Today we are gonna learn about the coordinate geometry. But before we begin, let us ask ourselves three elementary questions. That is, what is coordinate geometry? Why do we need to learn it? And where can we use it in our practical life? So let's begin with the very first question. What is coordinate geometry? Coordinates are basically the points which helps to determine the position of a point or object in a plane. Let's take an example to understand this. Suppose you are traveling from a point A on a flight to a point B. And when you reach the point B, you ask yourself what could be the position of the point B. And in order to find out, you draw two mutually perpendicular lines intercepting at the point A, as the point A was the origin of your journey. So on the horizontal axis, as in the x-axis, you write the numbers equally spaced apart, and on the vertical axis, as in the y-axis, you write letters. From the point B, you now drop a perpendicular onto the x-axis, and from the very point itself, you drop a perpendicular onto the y-axis, which now gives you the coordinate of the position B, which is 6, B. Now let's come to our second question. Why do we need to learn coordinate geometry? We use the knowledge of coordinates to our advantage to find the position or location of an object in any space. Let's have a look at this example. We know that there are several satellites revolving around our planet. Let's take the example of this revolving satellite, and we now try to determine the position of this satellite when it reaches to this point. So we now draw two mutually perpendicular axes passing through the center of the earth, x, x dash and y, y dash. On the x-axis, we write the positive numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. On the y-axis, we write the letters as in A, B, C, D. On the x dash, we write the negatives of the numbers, and on the y dash, we write the negatives of the letter, as these two axes represents a number line. From the satellite, now drop two mutually perpendicular lines on the x-axis and the y-axis, and when you do so, you get the coordinate of the satellite such as minus 4.2, B. Now let's come to our third question. Where can we use it in our practical life? Well, we can use it anywhere where it becomes essential to find out the position of anything in space. Let's take this example. In front of you is a chessboard, and as you can observe on the horizontal of this board, you have letters, and on the verticals you have the number. Now you will take any random chess pieces and put it anywhere on the chessboard. Now you try to find the coordinate of these four pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.